Welcome to English listening practice. Today, we'll be covering common phrases you'll need when ordering fast food. Let's dive in. Can I have a burger, please? Can I have a burger, please? Can I have a burger, please? I'd like to order a hamburger, please. I'd like to order a hamburger, please. I'd like to order a hamburger, please. I'll take a cheeseburger combo. I'll take a cheeseburger combo. I'll take a cheeseburger combo. I'll take a large fry. I'll take a large fry. I'll take a large fry. Can I get a medium Coke? Can I get a medium Coke? Can I get a medium Coke? I'd like a double cheeseburger with no onions. I'd like a double cheeseburger with no onions. I'd like a double cheeseburger with no onions. I'll have the chicken nuggets. I'll have the chicken nuggets. I'll have the chicken nuggets. We'd like to order a family meal. We'd like to order a family meal. We'd like to order a family meal. Can you add an extra drink to the order? Can you add an extra drink to the order? Can you add an extra drink to the order? Can I add a milkshake to my order? Can I add a milkshake to my order? Can I add a milkshake to my order? I prefer grilled chicken. I prefer grilled chicken. I prefer grilled chicken. Can you make it without mayo? Can you make it without mayo? Can you make it without mayo? Can I have a large drink instead? Can I have a large drink instead? Can I have a large drink instead? No pickles, please. No pickles, please. No pickles, please. Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? Is that for here or to go? I'll have it here. I'll have it here. I'll have it here. Can I have that to go? Can I have that to go? Can I have that to go? What kind of drinks do you have? What kind of drinks do you have? What kind of drinks do you have? What kind of sauces do you have? What kind of sauces do you have? What kind of sauces do you have? What comes with the combo meal? What comes with the combo meal? What comes with the combo meal? Does this meal come with a drink? Does this meal come with a drink? Does this meal come with a drink? Do you want to add cheese? Do you want to add cheese? Do you want to add cheese? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? What's your most popular item? What's your most popular item? What's your most popular item? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? How spicy is the chicken sandwich? How spicy is the chicken sandwich? How spicy is the chicken sandwich? Is the burger made of beef or chicken? Is the burger made of beef or chicken? Is the burger made of beef or chicken? What's in the special sauce? What's in the special sauce? What's in the special sauce? Do you have a kids menu? Do you have a kids menu? Do you have a kids menu? Would you like to add a drink? Would you like to add a drink? Would you like to add a drink? Do you have any dipping sauces? Do you have any dipping sauces? Do you have any dipping sauces? Do you have anything less spicy? Do you have anything less spicy? Do you have anything less spicy? Can you recommend something not too spicy? Can you recommend something not too spicy? Can you recommend something not too spicy? What's your favorite item on the menu? What's your favorite item on the menu? What's your favorite item on the menu? Can I have ketchup, please? Can I have ketchup, please? Can I have ketchup, please? Can I have extra mustard? Can I have extra mustard? Can I have extra mustard? Can I have a little more sauce, please? Can I have a little more sauce, please? Can I have a little more sauce, please? Can I have some extra napkins, please? Can I have some extra napkins, please? Can I have some extra napkins, please? Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a refill, please? Can I get a refill, please? Can I get a refill, please? Can you make it extra crispy? Can you make it extra crispy? Can you make it extra crispy? Could you please heat this up? Could you please heat this up? Could you please heat this up? No ice in my drink, please. No ice in my drink, please. No ice in my drink, please. This burger is really good. This burger is really good. This burger is really good. This ice cream is just perfect. This ice cream is just perfect. This ice cream is just perfect. Thank you, everything was great. Thank you, everything was great. Thank you, everything was great. Wow, that was quick, thanks. Wow, that was quick, thanks. Wow, that was quick, thanks. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my order. I think you gave me the wrong order. I think you gave me the wrong order. I think you gave me the wrong order. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. My order is missing a sandwich. My order is missing a sandwich. My order is missing a sandwich. The fries are cold. The fries are cold. The fries are cold. The fries are too salty. The fries are too salty. The fries are too salty. This drink is too sweet. This drink is too sweet. This drink is too sweet. The chicken is a bit dry. The chicken is a bit dry. The chicken is a bit dry. The soda machine is out of order. The soda machine is out of order. The soda machine is out of order. Is there a place to sit outside? Is there a place to sit outside? Is there a place to sit outside? How long does it usually take? How long does it usually take? How long does it usually take? Hi, I'd like to order a burger, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Could I also get a small Coke?
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total comes to $6.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Great, thank you. Your food will be ready in just a few minutes.
Hi, I'd like to order a burger, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Could I also get a small Coke?
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total comes to $6.50. Will that be cash or card?
Card, please.
Great, thank you. Your food will be ready in just a few minutes. Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a chicken sandwich?
Of course. Would you like it spicy or regular?
Regular, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a medium lemonade.
All right, one regular chicken sandwich and a medium lemonade. Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Your total comes to $7.25. Please pull forward to the next window. Hi, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a chicken sandwich?
Of course. Would you like it spicy or regular?
Regular, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a medium lemonade.
All right, one regular chicken sandwich and a medium lemonade. Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Your total comes to $7.25. Please pull forward to the next window.
Excuse me, do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a veggie burger and a salad.
I'll go with the veggie burger.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just water, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
That'll be $5.75. Your order will be ready shortly.
Excuse me, do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a veggie burger and a salad.
I'll go with the veggie burger.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just water, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
That'll be $5.75. Your order will be ready shortly.
Hi, I ordered a cheeseburger, but I got a hamburger instead.
I'm really sorry about that. Let me get that fixed for you right away.
Thank you.
Here's your cheeseburger. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, I ordered a cheeseburger, but I got a hamburger instead.
I'm really sorry about that. Let me get that fixed for you right away.
Thank you.
Here's your cheeseburger. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. How big is the large fries?
It's about twice the size of the small fries.
I'll go with the large then.
Great. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a large soda.
Your total comes to $4.50. Thank you.
How big is the large fries?
It's about twice the size of the small fries.
I'll go with the large then.
Great. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a large soda.
Your total comes to $4.50. Thank you.
Hi, do you have any specials today?
Yes, we've got a combo deal. A burger, fries, and a drink for $5.
That sounds good. I'll go with the combo.
Great choice. What would you like to drink?
I'll have a Sprite.
All right, your total comes to $5. Please wait while we prepare your order.
Hi, do you have any specials today?
Yes, we've got a combo deal. A burger, fries, and a drink for $5.
That sounds good. I'll go with the combo.
Great choice. What would you like to drink?
I'll have a Sprite.
All right, your total comes to $5. Please wait while we prepare your order.
Hi, can I get a large order of nuggets?
Sure. What sauce would you like with that? We have ketchup, BBQ, and honey mustard.
I'll go with BBQ, please.
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total comes to $4.50. Thank you.
Hi, can I get a large order of nuggets?
Sure. What sauce would you like with that? We have ketchup, BBQ, and honey mustard.
I'll go with BBQ, please.
No problem. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total comes to $4.50. Thank you. Hi, do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have ice cream, cookies, and apple pie.
I'll go with the apple pie, please.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just a small coffee, please.
All right, one apple pie and a small coffee. Your total comes to $3.75.
Thank you. Hi, do you have any desserts?
Yes, we have ice cream, cookies, and apple pie.
I'll go with the apple pie, please.
Would you like anything to drink with that?
Just a small coffee, please.
All right, one apple pie and a small coffee. Your total comes to $3.75.
Thank you. Can I get an iced coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like it sweetened?
No, just black, thanks.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
That'll be $2.50. Your coffee will be ready shortly.
Can I get an iced coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like it sweetened?
No, just black, thanks.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
That'll be $2.50. Your coffee will be ready shortly.
Hi, I'd like to order for 3 people.
Sure. What can I get for you?
We'll have 2 cheeseburgers, 1 chicken sandwich, and 3 medium fries.
Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes, 2 sodas and a lemonade.
That'll be $18.50. Please wait while we prepare your order.
Hi, I'd like to order for 3 people.
Sure. What can I get for you?
We'll have 2 cheeseburgers, 1 chicken sandwich, and 3 medium fries.
Would you like any drinks with that?
Yes, 2 sodas and a lemonade.
That'll be $18.50. Please wait while we prepare your order.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and feel more confident with these phrases. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.